So if I had to ask you how much you think this costs, what would you say?
This thing?
Yeah, just this thing. You can touch it.
It's getting very cheap, but I know it's not.
How much you think?
I know photography stuff is expensive.
No. Don't even go based on that. Just go based on what do you think?
It seems like it's worth.
Yeah.
I feel like I can make this.
How much?
50 bucks.
50 bucks? $219.
For the whole entire thing.
What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. Now, if you aren't new to photography, I'm pretty sure you all know what a V-flat is. This little guy right here sitting behind me. Now, it's one of my favorite things to use, and the reason why is because there's so many different things that you can do with it. Being able to control the shadows or even bounce a little bit of light back onto the subject without having to bring in another light is just something that I love to do, and I really like the look of it. Now, this V-flat that I have standing behind me, or collapsed behind me, is from V-Flat World. They make incredible V-flats, but they are on the expensive side. This right here, $219. Now, maybe you want two V-flats. Now you're looking at over $400. Or maybe you're new to photography and you don't have that type of money to invest, right? We're gonna talk about a cheaper option. And when I say cheaper option, I'm not talking about those makeshift V-flats where they tell you go to any craft store and just buy foam board, it's $5 and all this other stuff they tell you. Listen, I tried and I have not ever made a V-flat that can come anywhere close to the quality of the V-flats from V-Flat World. But let's go ahead on and I'm gonna give you the pros, the cons of this thing, and I'm gonna show you what it is that you can use for a fraction of the price. I'm talking about you can buy about 3 of these for what you're gonna get 1 of these for, right? Let's go ahead on and jump into this. Now, this V-flat right here folds in half, but foldable doesn't always mean portable. In fact, I have an SUV and I can only fit 1 of these in my car at one time. Foldable doesn't always mean portable, guys. Now, one thing I do love about it is how tall it is. Look at this. That's taller than me, but enough about the V-flat. Let's talk about what you could get at a fraction of the price and a fraction of the size that just may well replace your V-flat. This right here is the NEEWER 5-in-1 reflector that is 6 feet 7 inches tall. You let me know if you think something this light that you could probably fit about 6 of in your car can do the same thing that this can. As you can see, this is taller than me as well. In fact, it's almost as tall as the V-flat. Now, one important thing that you will need if you are gonna use this reflector method is getting you 1 of these, which essentially lets you connect it to the light stand and hold the reflector. Now, if we're talking pros and cons, this probably would be a con for you when it comes to the V-flat, considering the V-flat can stand up on its own. You will actually need a light stand for this. So that's just extra things that you would need. But the bright side is this part is actually pretty cheap. Now, one thing I will give points to when it comes to the V-flat is one side's white, the other side's black. Although the reflector has 5 different things you can do with it, unfortunately, the other side of the white is gold. Now, this isn't something that NEEWER has did alone. Every single reflector that I run into, the opposite side is always gold. And then when you put the black side on, the opposite side of that is silver. Now, can you use a silver reflector like a V-flat? Yes, but it's gonna be real drastic of a change. See, the white bounces just a little bit off, but that silver may cast something that's so powerful you don't like the look as much. You could either back it up or just use the white side. Me, I like to use the white side. Just the same type of pose. I like that better. Yeah, that's better. All right. Okay. So if I had to ask you how much you think this costs, what would you say?
This thing?
Yeah, just this thing. You can touch it.
It's getting very cheap, but I know it's not.
How much you think?
I know photography stuff is expensive.
No, don't even go based on that. Just go based on what do you think?
It seems like it's worth.
Yeah.
I feel like I can make this.
How much?
50 bucks.
50 bucks? $219.
For the whole entire thing.
Well, yeah, it's all one. It folds, but it's all one. $219.
I feel like that was my Dollar Tree poster boards I got my mom gave me for my project.
Yeah, you know,
Throw together with some.
and a lot of people try to make these from scratch, and I can't. I tried, but I can't get it this quality. Even though like the Velcro be breaking off and stuff, can't get it that quality. But that's why I'm doing this video, because I'm hoping that this will do exactly the same thing. And that was like 60 bucks. Okay, so, all right, here we go. Perfect, and nice, and perfect. So I'm gonna show you what it's doing, right? So this was without it. So you see like that shadow right there on your face? And then what it did is bounce some more light. And the thing about this too is the black side brings more shadow. Actually, I probably should show that as well. Yeah. I wonder how much darker it's gonna make it, but yeah. Perfect. Okay. Nice, nice, and nice. You can see it?
That's so crazy.
All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. Do you think that's about the same distance from you, or?
I think it's the same distance with the other one was a little turned in.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's that? Is that too much?
Maybe push forward a little bit.
More?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. All right. Perfect. And 3, 2, 1. Follow. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
These look cleaner though than the other one.
Yeah. Either way it go, I think for $60. For $60, I think it does a good job. So let's talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is me, with the Photographer Book Club. The Photographer Book Club is an apparel brand that I made for all of you photographers out there. No more with the cheesy shirts, the I'm about to snap, and all of this other stuff. Now you can stay up to date and fresh with things that fit your lifestyle more. So if you want to see the newest styles that I created, make sure you visit the website, which is www.photographerbookclub.com. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so what we did here was use a continuous light because I really wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like in real time versus just having it in the camera. So as you can see, this is with the V flat, and all I'm doing is just bringing it closer right here, and then I'll bring it away so you can see that shadow. And it's just kind of fascinating just watching in real time exactly how this changes everything when it comes to the photo. Now here's the big reflector. Keep in mind, I think around 60 something. I will leave a link down below, but as you can see, it's pretty much doing the same exact thing, right? It's filling in it, and you're gonna see as we get a little closer right here, it is shadowy right here, and then we're going to go ahead on and bring that reflector in, and you tell me the difference between the $219 V flat versus the $60 something reflector. Once again, I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. Now I already know what you're gonna ask, and that is, how easy is this thing to break down? And if you're not good with reflectors, it may be hard. But I'm gonna give it to you on the spot. I'm not cutting anything out. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to break something this big down. Now what I like to do is put my hands like this on the side of the reflector. First, let me zip it all the way up. Just like this. And I do like a fold and twist, right? Like a, here we go. Boom. Once you have that, bang. And just like that, this baby right here is ready to go anywhere you need it to, this small. And you have a good V flat or bounce light, bounce and cut light. So there you have it. Once again, my name is Ryan Troy. Leave it down in the comment section and let me know, do you think that this is a good replacement, or will you spend that $219 and buy a V flat? Peace.